So the plan is now all the paint's removed. I'll put the other half together, bolt it all up, and block all holes up. I'm going to get it all vapour blasted next. And there's the other half. So now I'm going to transfer all the bolts to this from this old engine. On here there's a special washer, like a little seal on. Don't forget to put that in. Right, that's all my bolts in this side, so I'm going to flip it over and do other ones now. So I'm just putting this cylinder on, just saves me having to make a plate so that when it gets vapour blasted it doesn't damage the face where the cylinder sits against. Just going to put the cover back on. That'll stop a bit of shot getting inside as well. So I'm just putting these covers on just to stop any, like I said before, any machined edges getting destroyed. Is that what's supposed to do it, Paul, is it?
Yeah. This is your attempt.
BJ, blasting. That's how you do it, is it?
That's how professionals do it.
So this is the before. My mate at PJ blasting. He shows me it look mint when it's done. So let's see.
Things all overlapped.
So I've got engine back from blasters. So next step is strip it all again. Then he's going to powder coat it for me.